today I'm gonna make a flying airplane made of paper. So let's do it. So the plastic version is really kind of easy. First, we need to put this to this. Fold the papers. Next, out and put this. Okay, fold this paper. Oh. Okay, this. Oh, this is too hard. Kind of be hard sometimes. Whoa. And next, put like and fold this to be like this, like an envelope. So next, put right here. Okay. And put like fold like this. Okay, next. Okay. I didn't make like this. So next, fold this paper to right here, not right here. If you make like this, you are the little kid. Oh, that's not bad. Next, fold this like this. Next, fold this paper to going like this, everyone. I can't made it. Okay. This side too. Okay. Sometimes I sneeze to yawn. Okay, and we got an paper airplane. So, making like this too
simple.
So like simple ones are like this. Let's test this. Let's test this. So it's a kilometer high. I'm gonna go far away and it didn't work. So again, second time, and good. This is good. So Flash Joe, thanks for watching. Bye bye.